मैं अनुराग सर के वहाँ पे ऑफिस में गई थी फर्स्ट, फिर उनके बाद उन्होंने मुझे घर पे बुलाए थे फर्स्ट टाइम, तो मैं गई थी एंड हम लोगों के कन्वर्सेशंस हुए और फिर मैं आ गई। नेक्स्ट डे जब मैं गई थी तो वो ड्रिंक भी कर रहे थे, कुछ स्मोक भी कर रहे थे और फिर वो उनके दूसरे रूम में मुझे लेके गए जहाँ पे एक लाइब्रेरी टाइप्स का कुछ था, उनके पास एक बिल्ली भी था, तो लाइक वो मुझे दूसरे रूम में लेके गए और वहाँ पे जाके जो भी हुआ है, जो भी अनकम्फर्टेबल मैं फील की हूँ और वैसे सिचुएशन राइज हुआ है। उसके बाद मैंने उनको प्लीड भी किया, सर अब नहीं, बाद में हम नहीं मिलते। फिर भी ही वॉज लाइक ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस मी इन डिफरेंट वे, टेकिंग पीपल्स नेम एंड जब ही रियलाइज दैट इज़ नॉट हैपनिंग एट ऑल, then he let me go and said that next time whenever we'll meet, be mentally prepared, we'll have good fun. फिर मैं वहाँ से निकल गई। फिर उसके बाद से मैंने उनसे कभी नहीं मिली हूँ एंड we had a little bit chat here and there, but that's it. And after that I have never met, but when he came out and started talking about women liberation, women empowerment, this and that, feminism and all this, so I realized that he is telling it to the people and that is the mask that he is wearing, but in real life he is different, at least to me. I don't know about others. That is what happened to me. So that kept on haunting me. I said, like, when a person himself has done something like that, how could even he talk to people? So I tried even talking about it, but I was not being allowed by any of my family or my friends or my manager. I posted on Facebook also, sometimes I posted on Twitter also, even tagging him, but I was being forced to delete those tweets and even the Facebook post. And after that, so I was quiet, and then I realized that I won't get in peace because everybody is saying that nobody is going to support you because don't have any influence, you don't have any friend from the industry. People will definitely not support you because they get work from him, and he's not only a director, he's also a producer. They get work, and obviously, and that's very natural. Maybe I would have done the same what they're doing there by supporting him. So that's quite common and normal. So I didn't expect any support from anybody, but it was really haunting me, and I was wanting to tell it for a long time. So finally I said it when a friend of mine from Telugu film industry, she said she encouraged me and she said that we shouldn't be quiet, we should talk about this. So that is the time when I came out and talked about it.
See, it is already there in the knowledge of Rekha Sharma, National Commission of Women.
Yes.
Then when you planning to file a official complaint, or are
today itself we'll file a FIR, and I'm also in talking with Rekha ji as well. So this is update. And didn't why means why I will say she should go and ask Anurag Kashyap, why did you take my name? Because I'm a girl, I don't have such influential support. That doesn't mean I am the one who is talking everything, and because he is influential and he has launched them, so he is very good. They themselves might be knowing from their heart that what is the exact kind of person, and I don't want to. That is their own experience. I have just shared my experience.
There are many people. Even when he spoken about his wife, came in support and written a long letter. What do you have to say about that?
So I'm sure he's when he is such a good person and she is defending him, then I think that she shouldn't have left him, right? If he was such a nice person, and I don't think a couple who love each other and having respect for each other will just live for nothing. And then his second wife, which was Kalki, she looks like more happy now. So rather than when she was with Anurag Kashyap, and she also left. So I think even if they were happy, they shouldn't have left each other. And now they are coming and defending because they know they have to defend him because that is how the industry works, and that is how maybe they have some financial connection. Also, that is not, again, I don't want to talk on that. But I just want to know, if he was such a good person, then why both the wives have left him and they are living peacefully after that.
There are other people who are coming in and defending Anurag Kashyap. Some people are from Indian fraternity. They are coming in on social media supporting. What's your take on that? There are people. Journalists also coming in.
See, because Anurag Kashyap is quite influential in the industry. He is a producer himself. His lobby is big. Like, he's kind of film he makes of middle budget film actually, and these kind of films, and the other his friends who are there, like they make such kind of films, and they have that lobby together. So when they're friends and they know each other, they won't talk in support of me. They will talk in support of their friend. They won't talk in support of me. I didn't expect that also, and I didn't know them also. So you know, like so obviously nobody will come in support of me. So I don't expect. I have the truth with me, and I will tell that. I'll be with that.
Okay, now there are also report. It is already said in so many news channel. It is already there out. Anurag is paying because he's a hardcore criticizer of the central government.
I have nothing to do with that. I'm sorry, I have nothing to do that with any party, with any kind of I don't have any kind of political association. It is, I'm grateful to people who are supporting me, who are coming on and supporting me. I'm grateful to them. That is those are the people actually know the woman talking about some coming out and talking about this kind of thing won't be so easy for that girl. But if she has spoken about it, that definitely she is not something that she will talk about as such things in media and to the people for any small thing or for any other reason. So they know it, and thanks to them, and those who are like supporting their friend in spite of knowing that what kind of person he is. So be happy.
Kangna came in your support. What's
yeah.
wrong? And there are other people from Bollywood.
Yeah. So people who are supporting me, who are the people who really believe in, you know, like a woman should come out and talk about the thing that whatever has happened with her, and they're supporting because they believe in feminism. That is the reason they're supporting me, and thanks to them all, and thanks to Kangna also, because any woman from my point of view, if anybody wants to see, they will know the girl will just not talk about something so vile about anybody and will make herself so bad to the people.
The last question from my end, you know, there are also reports which is already on social media, the girl who didn't remember the date, you know, they're talking about you. You know, so what will be, though you are going today, there'll be a, you know, it will be official thing, you know, they'll ask you a date or month. So are you prepared for it, and what would be your
so we have to just bring out the you know, like because he was not my lover. Like when you are in love, then you remember the date you meet your lover. How I will remember the date or anything
but
when I'm meeting a director?
This keeps on haunting you.
Yeah, yes, it kept on haunting me, but it's still the perfect date, the perfect you know, like year is like it was very much within a November, December kind of around, because I remember even in 2015 he called me and he said like, why don't you join me for come to my party, Holi party. So definitely it was within those months only. So but by month it's very difficult to
there must be a call to record or something, you know?
Yeah, it was after that he blocked me. So you know, when you are blocked, everything goes. But I can retrieve, obviously I think so. Then that is the police to do. Then they can easily, and that those are all if they can retrieve all the messages, then everything will be clear. Then you don't have to ask me also.
If the same question is asked by the Washira police station, because you are going to file an FIR, what will be your answer? You know, they'll ask you a date or something, or you know,
yes, so I will say I don't remember the date.
Are you going with your lawyer?
Yeah. So he will take on this.
Your lawyer name is
Nitin. Thank you.